Sunday morning. I want to come and read for you something about the Bible. Talk about that today is the kingdom of righteousness and then the righteous branch. These two verse I have to come and to read for you. Thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister. I think you will get something to this channel. I think so. Maybe you understand everything. Sometimes you want to listen a little bit about you want to learn more. Same thing like this. I'm not good and not, but you have to find something important. When you want to know, you have to read by yourself. Okay, today is that I want to read for you Bible. Had to start in a little bit here. Okay, and Isaiah chapter 32 verse 1 to 8 talk about here a little bit. I want to read for you. Pero pa ero le patako le sosile bakala we say a siki a saboteur to look hot tagita clone. Painted devara delay. I want to read for you here is the Isaiah chapter 32, the verse 1 talk about seed a king will reign in righteousness and rulers will rule with justice. This is meaning about the kwakwa so paraga kaputala ta total over do paduta casino tala ta total paduta casino tala ta total so paragani kapurala ta total. Okay, each man will be like shelters from the wind and a refuge from the storm, light streams of waters in the deserts, and the shadow of a great rock in a thirsty land. Puatagaga, pera puatagaga mata dita u de lo le kalimu amenya do ta do alo le ta hesu amenya to di ti klule alo hitu do di le do akadule tabu eta akopu eto ne lo tabu eta akopu eto lo tebe dineto. Okay, maybe dinero bakro patu patalo patamu put sepo pay, okay? Bakle kwa payro nogi thoni tebe them the eyes of those who see will no longer be closed. But mala and the ears of those who hears will listen. When it ever delay, Gabriel do polo a tibatar pan emerki bado polo anahutar pa kanahu talo polo anahutar panic anahuta polo a titar panic emerki ba dividend. Okay, number 4 talk about that the mind of the rust we know and understand, and the stammering tongue will be fluent and clear. Stammering tongue. Here is I want to read for you about the Quran. Do polo at the do tuba atarpa anaka puta thinya do polo at akatuta atapa applicalo pagina applica katuta claro pane pagiteta mala awete the pane a do katuta thiba kiklone aweka katuta kita sikolo betano kuda ro pakle kwalo page 7 devada dilem. No longer will the fools be called noble, no, nor the scoundrels be highly respected. I want to packet malatai taklo wayne me, pato pajulo pathinya or the nyolo patamu, whatever do you law. There are a pohago pony parku leba or le paduba. Packet ma pohago pony margala cacola padu regale, the coloba. No pot pini pot seal a re pot clover, packet mana pala a pini pot call a hill pot clover. When it meet tight tackle when it permit le pala to so much son a taggy patonia, Basa like a pack a pat tailor. No paid or no who 6 name for the fools speak foolish, his mind is busy with evil. His practice and goodliness and spread arrow concerning the Lord. The hungry he leads empty, and from the thirsty he withhold water. When it is sick of Pathinyala, Tamat agiri pago pu katutahago do Atha kama ota ditu akama ota do katu kama bajwa do ditu akadu ukalo pwa ta wi athani atha do du le kwi pwa ta tu atha le ti ata olo du le ki pwa ta tu atha le ti le ata olo phani do pakete ma le pe 7 and Tevra dile. The scoundrel's methods are wicked. He make up evil shame to destroy the poor with lie, even when the pleas of the needy is just. When is sick on a patinyana patamu punikatuwe sikoro. Here is the poor api, a sickle when me ta a uno, good tota ku dido akamahago pola apo yala. Takatu kablikabla pepa popa ya pukatu ta tonilo. When it pakretinya labatamupula, even when the pleas of the needy is unjust. But the noble man make noble plan, and by noble deeds he stand. Okay, noble deeds he stand. No penny of a thing yellow mimi po a clony good a clodapad or certain will a clodapa a hulo, certain will a clodapa hulo. A cormion a dollar a close sit down and meet like a pulumano, the done a pathinia sick or a tag when alone. Okay, second verse I want to read for you that another thing is here the righteous branch. Dalo righteous branch patinyala adila pagtama. Tamitato adi awani pagtio din. Righteous branch tamitato abrilo. Woe to pagtera malo payni katuwada dile. Okay, paglequa pay the sepo tera woe to the supper who are destroyers and scattering the sheep of my pastures, declares the Lord. When it begins, malo, Pakwa thula amahago do malo pri malo pra yeta osa alo thu tapani ba apollo. You are siweda, declare the Lord sidan and midala. When you are siweda nilo. Okay. Pero pagle kwa le tama ta te phala kasunyane dile. Pero devara therefore this is what the Lord the God of Israel say to the supper who tend my people because you have scattered my flock and driven them away and have not bestowed our care on them. Bestow care on them. I will bestow punishment on you for the evils you have done, declare the Lord. When is sikoni kasa, you are attacked to look to Wellington in Yane, Pathinia Sikolo target. Taklu Kaila Patapitama Pusikolo, David Adilo, Mother Nilo, you are Israel Akasa Silo, Paquatula, Aquajapua, Womu the Pagi, Thumalo Prim, Bra Yatut Poo, Do Hotokwi or, Do the Utakuba Oba, Quaqua Yeka Utaku Tulu, Thumata who you are Siwedalo, or when you are Siweda. Copula malabri malabra utakuba, the dane hudene, Casajua, Kamalabri, malabrao, or when you are Sivanilo. Pero Pathinia le Casayua utaku weda, le tumata agiclulo. Okay, maybe dinero, Paka le quale pay to say Polo 30 Timapale. I myself will gather in the room. Remnant of my flock out of all the country whereas I have driven them, and we bring them back to their perches where they will be fruitful and increase in number. When it put it on a dollar when it go put it on my tattoo that little popular, put it on increased numbers in the neck. When they art of water with the town of Pusicolo, penny thing. Do you get turpu you do the poo a da ulote, lurk a year, call your hot talk with or su apu, do you can do hecky or su karapu, do kathato do ka atolo, or when it begin like a thatolo ka atolo, katura dinero. No, you lose it, I will play, okay, supper over them, who will turn them, and they will no longer be afraid or terrified, nor will any beast mission declare the Lord. When it packet mala, Patamupuni, Pathinyala, Taco Taco, always sick of Tapitamapuno. Not ever do Yakapa, Pakwa Thula, Apocolo, Akakwa, do Tapila Bataba, do Tabayu le Bataba, do Tahama leba yuasi weda aweta bayulova aweta privatava no aweta hamalova tevene awene yuasi weda dinilo. Okay, we made dinero pakle kwalo no city le. The days are coming, declares the Lord, when I will rise up to David's and righteous branch, a king who will reign wisely and do what is just and right in the land. When it put mala payni kasayua mutanila aka heweni debra. Quakwa you siwera munita pa hela yagaduga seta ta de dollar sodawi ago do sopataga kapura do abo kaboto nyoto do kamata sinyo do ta tota lula konilo kamata sinyo do ta tota lula konilo awani siko pakra patu patala peta umupula peta peta ma pusikolo do pe no khuni teba palo munutimile. In his day Judas will be saved and Israel will live in safety. This is the name by which he will be called, the Lord our righteousness. When it picture mala ta muni when it takakola you are pakasana me you are atolo. Picture dinito. Pero kwa you are siwara muni ta pala yekade heset ta ditolo so da we go do so pataka kapura do kaboto nyoto ro kamata sinyo do tato talo lo konilo talo muni de pani Juda katile ta uke koki do Israela ka odo ta tani ata lo do ta ka ko amile I yua patato talo lo ta ka ko amile I yua atato talo lo. This is the name by which he will be called, the Lord our righteousness. When is sick of Pathinyala Patamupulo, no in Teva Palominitile. So then the day are coming, declares the Lord, when people will no longer say, as surely as the Lord lives, who brought the Israelites up out of Egypt. Away ne Pathinyala, ke mutanile takama athane, paine tevera la manutimile, Kora matadini do Joasiwera Kokwa, Muni tapaka hele, Poata sila ba, when a muni tapaka hele, Poata sila ba, me well, Yadu hatok quipa Israela puller, got ekuputu apuneba, got ekuputu neba. I want it back the Pathinyano Panapa denom. I want it pacropatu patala, patam pusicolo. Okay, maybe did it all here. I want to read for you about more than little bit one. But they will say, as surely as the Lord lives, who brought the descendants of Israel up out of the land of the north and out of all the countries where he has banished them, then they will live in their own land. When is it called Panapa Sicola, a worker to that? Tangi Tita Pine, Babasukamola, Batamu Sicolo. There will be a me akasi, Yamuela, a hesu taught dog, the Henu Ishila, a Puahipu, a clear thala ko le kaliso no le ko khele phe ya hoto kwiti o no ka ukasu wele akoda we apulo awe ko ukasu lo akoda we apulo. Okay, my friends and my brother and sister, today is the arrest for you about the kingdoms of righteousness and the righteousness branch. These two things. Okay, we understand about that. The people call somebody is the noble, but sometimes they are not noble. They are the wicked. Okay, they liar. They do something very liar thing. Okay, here is the God talking about that the king will range in the righteousness, meaning about the people will reign. The people will take care of the kingdom with righteousness. Okay. Away ni mita tolo batamu pulo. Away ni sopalo kapura lo tamita tolo atamu pusikolo. Away ni kasa jua kasu watu kasa yo kalera lo tilo tu tamu pu lo kasa yo kamasyo tunirki. Then the God bless you, and then the God will teach you, and then the God will show you the right thing. You want to read by yourself, read in best. Here is Isaiah chapter 32, verse 1 to 8, and the Jeremiah chapter 23, verse 1 to 8. This both is the same thing. You have to read in bed there, and then look at that. The God telling Jeremiah, the God telling Jeremiah said to the Israelite people, and then the God telling Isaiah said to the Israelite people. Okay, thank you so much, my friends and my brother and sister. God bless you all. I will see you a little bit later. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.